Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a squirrel, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a circle. That is going to be our squirrel's head and face. Now we're going to put two small ears at the top. These are going to be our squirrel's ears. Squirrels have pretty small ears. Now we're going to make some ovals for our squirrel's eyes, and they're pretty wide set, meaning they're not super close together on our piece of paper. Now we're going to make some circles at the top of these little ovals, and we're going to fill in the bottom with our marker. The circles are little shine marks, little reflection marks. For our nose area, we're going to have an upside down letter C. And then for our squirrel's nose, it's going to be an oval that's filled in. Underneath our nose, we're going to have a letter J and a backwards letter J. And if you'd like to have a tooth coming out from the bottom, that's always a good idea. So for our body for our squirrel, we're going to just have a big, long letter C that's a little bit flat at the bottom. Now for his tail, this is what we're going to do. We're going to make the letter S, and it's going to start about right here. We go up and we come down, and then we hit on his body right here. To close up this tail, we're going to come up a little bit, and then we're going to come down with the same shape S. Going down to his feet, we're just going to make some feet peeking out from the bottom right here. And then for his hands, we're just going to make them about right here. And because it's a cartoon owl, we can just make them any way that we like. So I like to make just two lines and then a hand at the end. Two lines and then a hand at the end. Just like that. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of an acorn in the hand of my squirrel because that shows off that he got his dinner for the night. That's what an acorn looks like. Let me go back here and put a few whiskers on. Forgot about the little whiskers on our squirrel. We also can put a little patch of fur right here on his tummy to give it a little bit more detail. Now for the background, I think what I'm going to do is keep it simple. I'm going to make a line like this. I'm going to jump over my squirrel's body, and then I'm going to make another line on the other side. I'm going to put a few little plants down here to give it a little bit more interest. And then I might even put some bushes up here because squirrels sometimes like to hide in the bushes. I might even put some nice big fluffy clouds here at the top of my piece of paper. Nice big fluffy clouds are always a good thing. Oh, I think he looks so cute. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.